This time we're supposed to convert 5.86 feet per second to miles per hour. What we're going to do first, like always, we're going to rewrite the problem. And I have 5.86 feet per second. I want to convert feet per second to miles per hour. I'm going to convert one unit at a time. I'm going to start from distance, but you can start from either one. I'm going to start from distance. Conversion factor says that 5,280 feet is equal 1 mile. That's why I'm going to multiply my original value by 1 mile over 5,280 feet. 5,280 feet. Again, why? Because I want to eliminate foot. In order to eliminate foot from here, you're supposed to multiply by the conversion factor, which has the foot in the denominator. So this foot and this foot will cancel out. And my unit of distance right now is mile. Next, I'm supposed to convert seconds to hours. That's why I'm going to use this conversion rate, which says 1 hour is equal 3,600 seconds. Because I want to eliminate seconds from the denominator, I have to make sure that my conversion factor is going to have seconds in the numerator. I have 3,600 seconds equal 1 hour. Second and second will cancel out. Next, keep in mind that we can convert this number to the improper fraction and simply multiply these three fractions together. Numerators by numerators, denominators by the denominators. You are going to have 5.86 times 1 mile times 3,600 over 1 times 5,280 times 1 hour is equal 5,280 hour. Next, you're supposed to use the calculator and multiply the numbers in the numerator and the result divided by the denominator. This is equal 3.99 miles per hour. This is the solution to my problem.